So guys, I'm gonna try to do a really quick short video on how simple this is and upload it. So all you do is you take your banana, you mash it up. You don't need to mash it up a lot. And then I'm not gonna separate no small dry stuff and wet stuff. Man, I just put all together and I make the dough. No, like I said, because I have other stuff to do. Case in point, like I said in the other video, I have to do my nails. It's dip powder nails, so it's been about 3 weeks, so I gotta take them all 3-4 weeks and redo freshly, do my manicure, and then redo them again and all that stuff. So I'm going to pour the sugar, the vanilla, and all of that stuff. It's gonna make about probably 4 or 5 banana fritters, but that's all I need. I mix that together, the sugar, vanilla, and banana. So now I'm just gonna put in the baking powder. I just this much. Is that a liquor spoon? I don't know. Some nutmeg, some allspice. I'm trying to do a short, so I could just quickly show you guys how you do it. Some cinnamon. Cinnamon strong, so you don't need to put a lot of cinnamon. A little bit of salt. You don't need to put a lot of salt. That's all I'm putting, and then I'm going to mix this up and then add the flour. So you see how liquid is already? You see, like, it's not like pancake, but it's supposed to be. I didn't put the flour in yet, you know. So this is just the banana and the other stuff that I mentioned. But you want it a little bit thicker in consistency, so I'm going to add the flour now and show you. So I add just that much flour and see how it goes. Again, I don't really measure because I don't know how to do the 1 cup, 1 this. I don't know how to do that. So guys, I added just a little bit more nutmeg and allspice. I smell it. You could just smell it. Look at my face. Don't mind me. I had water, but I don't even need to add any water because the dough is the consistency that I want. You see, it's supposed to be like that. It's kind of like baking a banana bread, but you're not baking anything. You're fried it up. So the dough is supposed to drop like this. You see, it's a different consistency and texture from pancakes, but this is really it.